Tonight, tropical storm conditions expected. East to southeast winds, 30 to 40 knots. Peaking 4 p.m. today, 41 knots sustained, 51 knots gusting. Seas 6 to 9, building to 9 to 14. From the east-southeast, swell late. Period 10 seconds.
Max winds at that point now projected to be 95 knots, which is the very upper end of a Cat 2 hurricane.
Okay, it's the big push. It's almost like the calm before the storm.
This is the calm.
We have our main to put down,
And just button
and
up
then
everything else on the decks.
take everything else off, and we are as ready as we can be.
And BLA, Thursday at 8 p.m., easterly 47, gusting 61. So the max wind times could vary by a couple hours. You'll know when the storm is passing you when the wind moves around to the south and then southwest.
Well, we're looking good. The entire boat's stripped down. All the covers are off. Got supports. Just kind of holding everything in place. Just backups and after backup after backup.
Crazy. The weather is getting worse, but at the same time, we just have a good feel of everything. There is a piece of shipwreck that was on the beach that has been thrown up and into the water. So we're kind of watching it. It was looking like it was heading our way, but now it's split it off, and it looks like there's 2 other boats that could be in line with it. So we did notify the fleet to let them know so that they can be on watch for that.
Real fast. But this reminds me of that scene in Titanic. Which is almost across from us on the Pacific side. 95 miles, 90 miles from here. So that's a good thing, but it's a bad thing too because this is the closest point K is to us. So that's why we're feeling these huge shifts right now. And we're about to our peak wind. This hour is it. After that, it should start diminishing.
I think at this point it's 54 knots. Is that
mentioned that